Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey and today I am making queso cheese sauce. Like the kind of cheese you get out of a pump that you put on your hot dog. What better and healthier and better. But like the kind of melty cheese that you drizzle over a taco or just... queso cheese sauce. This was on subscriber request, by the way. Great idea, thank you. I'm loving this stuff. This is one of my favorite recipes I've ever come up with. Even if you hate plantains, make this cheese. You won't taste the plantain, you won't know it was there, it won't have plantainy texture, trust me on this. So get a nice green plantain, cut it and boil it up and proceed with the queso cheese. I'm like saying cheese twice. Cheese sauce. Queso cheese sauce. I don't know. So here we go, we got what we need. I'm gonna slice this thin because I'm boiling it and I just want it to boil quickly. So, I mean, not like paper thin, but you know, like you're making a peanut butter and banana sandwich or something. We're just gonna boil those until they're soft. We also want to peel a carrot and put that in there with the plantains because we're gonna need that too. I'll just use two because they were small carrots. You want an orange carrot. This is for color, so this is purely optional. And if you don't have carrots or you don't feel like using carrot, you could just put turmeric in this. So this has been boiling. This plantain is nice and cooked through. Perfect. I'm gonna drain them right now. You're gonna want 100 grams of cooked soft green plantain, and then we want 25 grams of carrot. So we put this all in the Ninja. I'm gonna put a cup of coconut milk in there. 1 cup. To that, I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna throw in some chives because they're easy. 1 tablespoon. And then we need the juice of 4 lime wedges. Okay, let's make the sauce. Let's add a little bit more carrot. This is kind of pale. Just look at it. I just want to like drink it like a smoothie. Does it need salt? Does it need lime? It needs a pile of ground beef is what it needs. Serving suggestions, I mean ground beef, lasagna. I don't know, you could put this on anything, you can eat it with a spoon, it's really, really good. I want to show you what happens to this when you freeze it. It's kind of cool. This texture turns to freaking cheese crumbles. And the mouthfeel is fine, it's just like chewable cheese crumbles. No gelatin or anything. Pretty cool. As an experiment, I threw it in the toaster oven and guess what? It melts to beautiful queso sauce perfection. So yes, you can absolutely freeze this recipe. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I put out new videos every Thursday and often on Sunday too. Enjoy your queso cheese and I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.